When in Jamaica, my friend them would have said, you ask say what the chef is, where you chef up there. But you know, when my white friend them would have said, what Jamaican? Don't leave me! Alright, my side, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Oxygen. Today, we're going to bake some chicken, kind of like jerk chicken style, or we can call it oven jerk, you see me? But before I start cook, I go deal with that one pizza. I know the whole shrimps got ready though. Alright, see it, huh? Alright, so I first prepare one of them something, yeah. See it go. Follow instruction them. 400 Fahrenheit. Tear off that. Okay. 15 to 16 minutes. Alright, I could get to it now. Alright, see there. We get 16:39. I mean, they don't start preheat it already. Now I could just prepare the pizza. I'm still don't judge me. First, I prepare one of them, you see me? See there? Good old barbecue chicken pizza. "68 inches from the bottom, them say. So while that simmer down, you can just go and relax a bit. Because when you're ready to start, cut up the chicken there. And the chicken in the sink are going to thaw out. We have some leg quarters and we have some drumstick in there, so it's gonna be a blast. So while we are on the boat, what you think's the best to watch? Or best to listen? Yours truly. Oxygen, I wanna go out.
I'm so tired of staying home alone. I need to go to have some fun. I wanna go out to a party with my friend. Oh, I need to go out cause it's been a while. It's been a while since I went out to dance with someone. I need some fun, even if it's on the beach to walk on the sand. I need to go. I'm so tired of saying no. I wanna go out tonight. I wanna go out, I wanna go out, I wanna go out. Yeah, yeah.
See there, pizza ready. Some of those dash in couple slices night. Plate over there so stay so. Alright, so we just done shell the pizza. It's our time for me to start the cooking now. So I cut up the chicken. So let's do this. We don't know the thing go. Everything there. You have the drumstick. So you know, so when you have the drumstick, you have to beat the drum. Boom, boom, psh. Chicken done cut up and ready. You know, we have the whole seasoning them over here. So, stay so. Whoa. Good old bag up season. And we have the walkers with jerks. So, you know what that go with a little bit of salt. I don't know if I'm going to use the salt, but I'm going to just mix up the seasoning. So you always want to start, stab up your meat. Stab up the meat. Stab it up, stab it up. Me area can cook good and the seasoning sweet. Stab up the meat. You know that one. Okay, when you pour on the seasoning on it, everything's soaking in the chicken, so when you eat it, it's just that moment. So pour them on. It's that time for rub it in. Yeah, take it. Rub in your seasoning, you see me? Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. It's good to get messy when you're cooking. I'm not talking about football, you see me? Alright people, you see it now? After you rub it in, see the color of the meat just look splendid, marvelous, remarkably irresistible. Yeah. When in Jamaica, my friend them would have said, you ask say what the chef is, where you chef up there. But you know when my white friend them would have said, what Jamaican? Don't leave me! Yo, that's funny though. That's funny. Very, very funny. But yeah, we have everything ready now. So just time for preheat the oven. If you realize me never cut up no bag of onion or scallion or none of them something them. So you want me to play a song for you? Alright, preheating done. So time to load up the baking tray. Alright, so while that, I want to simmer down, go up on the front. I want to enjoy the views. Alright, so while we wait for the pot for done cook, the outside just go on easy, you see me? Nice, colorful rocking chair. Outside and a bonus spliff, but I'm not smoke. That's the drawback. But yeah, enjoying the scenery. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Alright, my side, the sauce ready. See there? So you know what time for the what? Dip the chicken in. Then we just slide it back into the oven. Make it cook for a few more minutes and we're all set. Alright, so here we go on. In case you don't wonder who teach me for cook, nobody don't teach me for cook. I just ramp around with food, but I don't know some pay my dues already. In what sense? In the sense that me I cook enough time and I experiment and it spoil. I'm getting the biggest drawback we ever have. I try brown stew chicken with sugar. The chicken come out bitter, like legit bitter. A good thing say it have enough sauce on it, I could take it, wash it off back. After I wash it off, I cook it over and make back different sauce sweet and make the chicken nice again. But guess what? I have to use enough ketchup because the bitterness that stand out. And hungry that kick, so I couldn't wait too long. I couldn't bother to go melt no more chicken. Cook it again, so I get what me at. Yeah, that's one of them things, man. Just ram pro with food. Alright, let me tell you why it's my like though. You see when you cook ramens with egg, good stuff. Enough about what me love though. You know what I wanna do? Comment which food you would want to see me cook. You see me? I'm at them for cook it. Cause guess what? Nothing beats a try but a failure. So comment the food where you want to see me cook below. I'ma deal with it. Quick. It's a good while now we out here sit down and chat, so about time now for the chicken ready. So go check on that now. Watch 25 seconds. Perfect timing I can call it. Alright, I could just cut in it and see it look. Perfect. Look at it. I just try it for to see what I go on and see me. Yo, this is it. I'm sure I can taste it. Trust me, the chicken shot. The boat here just land, but guess what? I don't know what I consume with it yet. I don't know if I consume rice, dumpling, or I might just cut up some potatoes and just shell it. Sound like a plan because that's easier, just throw it in boiling water instead of your wash rice or a kneel flour. So, this is the energy good there, but until then, just in case, I don't know, I'm going to see the chicken by itself. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, like, comment and share this video. Hit the subscribe button. Yeah man, food but and taste piece more chicken, but I can't see that part yet because I don't want to go, we meet like one picky man. So yo, yeah. Peace out. Trust me, the chicken good. I don't feel like saying I try. I put myself on nothing but it's shot. You know what would have bad though? If everything went with a preview. Alright my side, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Oxygen. But you see before I start cook, I'm hungry so I'm gonna make a one pizza, you know Eka.